Welcome to Phoenix Contact, introducing the trio panel mount power supply, engineered for the demanding industrial environment where space, efficiency, and reliability matter most. Now available in 24V DC and 48V DC versions with powerful 1.5 kW and 2.5 kW options. It supports a wide range of input and adjustable output mode. Plus, it's got a dynamic boost feature, 140% power for 5 seconds. That's great for starting of cables. And if you are building a redundant system, this model has an integrated O-ring diode, so you can connect multiple units without needing extra hardware. Mounting is also super flexible. You can go side, rear, or even use these options. There is no power reduction regardless of the installation variant. It's built for real-world industrial conditions. Built-in diagnostic available with multiple LED indicators and canvas interface give you complete visibility of system health with smart monitoring. All this in an ultra-compact and fully certified package. If you are designing your control panels for automation system, the trio panel mount power supply is your go-to solution. Powerful, reliable, and smart. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit our official website